Hello, we are English learners. We come from different places. Some of us are students. Some of us have jobs. We all want to speak English. English helps us talk to new people. It helps us watch movies, travel, and find good jobs. One day we ask ourselves, how can we learn English well? We talk to our friends, we read books, we look online. There are many ways to learn, but we want to start simple. We want to enjoy learning. We find a class near our home. The teacher is nice. She says, "Welcome, let's learn together." She teaches us the ABC. She teaches us how to say hello and goodbye. We speak slowly and clearly. At first, we are shy, but the teacher says, "You can do it." We learn colors, numbers, and days of the week. We say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We say red, green, blue. We write these words in our notebooks. We read them at home. We also try to say them with our family. We feel happy. We start to believe we can speak English. We just need time. We just need to try. Let's learn together. Now, we study every day. We make a simple plan. We learn a few words in the morning. We listen to English songs. We watch short videos with easy English. We repeat the words. We copy the sounds. At work or at school, we write new words in a small book. We read them when we wait for the bus. We read them before we sleep. We do not stop. We talk with each other in English. We say, "What is your name? How are you? Where do you live?" We also ask, "Do you like music? What food do you like?" These are easy questions, but they help us speak more. Sometimes we make mistakes, but it is okay. We laugh and learn. Mistakes help us grow. Our teacher says, "Don't worry, just try." Some of us teach English to our little brothers or sisters. When we teach, we learn more. We play games. We sing songs. English becomes fun. After 1 month, we feel better. We can say more words. We can ask and answer simple questions. We can write small sentences like, "This is my book," or "I like apples." We also feel more confident. In the past, we were shy. Now we raise our hands. We speak in class. We talk to each other in English. We help each other. We write short texts. We write about our day. We write about the weather. We write about our family. We say, "Today is sunny." "I go to school," or "I eat rice and fish." These sentences are simple, but they are real. They are ours. One day, a tourist visits our town. She asks, "Where is the cafe?" One of us says, "It is next to the post office." She says, "Thank you." We feel proud. We can speak English. We know we are not perfect, but we are better than before. We will not stop. We will keep learning, step by step, word by word. Let's learn English together. Hello, my name is Linh. I am from Vietnam. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town with my family. I work in a shop. Every day I see many people. Some people speak English. I do not understand them. I feel shy. I want to talk to them, but I cannot. That makes me sad. One day, I walk to a small bookstore. I see a sign. The sign says, English class for beginners. I stop and read it again. I think, can I learn English? Will it be hard? Will I enjoy it? I am not sure, but I want to try. The next day, I go to the class. There are 6 people in the class. They are from my town. Some are old, some are young. We sit in a small room. The teacher comes in. Her name is Anna. She smiles and says, "Hello. Welcome to the class." Anna is kind and patient. She speaks slowly. She writes simple words on the board. The first words are hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. I repeat the words. I say them again and again. At first I feel shy. My voice is quiet. But Anna says, "You can do it. Let's try together." We also learn numbers and colors. We say 1, 2, 3 in red, blue, green. Anna shows us pictures. She points to a red apple and says, "This is red." We all say, "Red." It is fun. I smile a lot. After the class, I go home. I tell my mother I start to learn English today. She says, "That is good. You will learn many things." I feel happy. I open my notebook and look at the words again. I read them aloud. I write them 2 times. I want to remember them. The next class is on Wednesday. I go again. We learn more words. We ask and answer questions. Anna says, "What is your name?" I say, "My name is Lynn." She asks, "Where are you from?" I say, "I am from Vietnam." We all clap. Everyone is happy. Now I feel excited. There are many things to learn. I do not know everything, but I will learn step by step. I believe I can speak English. Let's keep going. Day after I start learning English, I want to practice more. I know that practice is very important, so I make a plan. I will study English every day. Even if I am busy, I will find time to study. In the morning, I wake up early. I read 10 English words. I say them out loud. I look in the mirror and speak. I say, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." I smile and talk to myself. It feels a little funny, but it helps me. At work, I write new words in a small notebook. I take it with me. When I have free time, I open the book and read. Sometimes I write short sentences like, "This is a pen," or "The bag is blue." These simple sentences help me remember the words. After work, I go home and listen to short English songs. The songs are slow and easy. I sing with them. I also watch videos for beginners. The people in the videos speak slowly and clearly. They talk about daily life, like going to the market or talking to a friend. I also talk to my little brother. He is 10 years old. He wants to learn English too. We sit together and say the alphabet. We count numbers and name colors. I ask, "How many books do you have?" He says, "I have 3 books." We laugh and enjoy the time. Some days I am tired. I do not want to study. but I say to myself, let's try a little, just 10 minutes. I read a page or listen to a song. Then I feel better. I am proud that I did not stop. One day, I see a tourist in the shop. She asks, "Where's the bus station?" I answer, "It is over there." She says, "Thank you." I feel so happy. I can help someone with English. That is a great moment. Learning English is not fast. It takes time. But I can see small changes. I know more words. I speak with more confidence. I believe if I keep going, I will get better every day. After 1 month, I stop and think, what can I do now? What did I learn? I open my notebook. There are many words inside. I read them. I remember them. I can say simple sentences. I can ask questions. I can answer questions too. One day, Anna gives us a small test. It has 10 questions. I read them one by one. I write my answers. I feel nervous. After the test, Anna smiles. She says, "Good job, Ling. You did very well." I feel proud. I did not know much before, but now I can do more. I also speak more in class. I am not shy like before. I raise my hand. I say things like, "This is my book," or "I like apples." I can also ask, "What is this?" and "Where is the chair?" My voice is louder. I feel brave. At home, my mother says, "You speak English better now." I say, "Thank you, Mom." She asks me, "Can you teach me some words?" I say, "Yes." I teach her hello, goodbye, and thank you. She laughs. We learn together. I meet a new friend in class. Her name is Mai. We practice together. We ask each other questions. We help each other. Sometimes we go to the park and speak English. We say, "This is a tree. That is a bird, and the sky is blue." I also write in a small diary. Every day I write 1 or 2 sentences. One day I write, "Today is sunny. I feel happy." Another day I write, "I learned 5 new words." I read my old pages and smile. I can see my progress. Learning English is not easy, but it is fun. I will keep learning. I will read more. I will speak more. I will listen more. I know I can do it. Step by step, I will grow. Let's keep learning together.